Hey Hugo, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for requesting this video. So today I just want to go over a couple things to help you get those organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website and you do have a nice looking website. Excuse me, I apologize for that. Um, Nice looking website. The one thing I don't see though is a whole lot of content. The rule of thumb is that your home page should have a minimum of approximately 1,500 words or 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you want to rank for. Not everybody will know the name of your business, but they know the service that they are looking for. And you guys have an advantage because these are not luxury services and emergencies happen all the time. And so you need to have keywords that people can search and find you um, anywhere 24/7. So you need to have the content to support those buyer intent keywords. And I'm just not seeing um, those on your website. And they also need to be location based. Um, Kind of like you have here, Restoration Company in Kissimmee. So all of your keywords need to be location based. You need to have separate pages for every single service you perform, and you also need a separate page for every single service area that you provide those services in. As long as they have search volume, they should have their own page and at least be listed if they don't have that volume. Um, so Google unfortunately does not rank your website based on the appearance. They use robots called crawlers that search the internet and they index every one of your pages based on your content and your keywords. So that content and keyword strategy is really, really important. If we go over to your top competitor in the Orlando area, um, in organics, Vetcore, it is your top competitor. And yes, they are a franchise. So I'm only looking specifically at this location. But you can see they also have a nice website. And they have a little bit of content. They don't have enough content, actually, to be ranking in this area. So what that tells me is that these guys should actually be pretty easy to beat. And Google actually prefers local businesses over franchise businesses. So if you follow the strategies I give you, these guys should be super easy to beat. Um, and so this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see right here, you have a 0 domain rating out of 100, and that is based on your backlinks and referring domains. Um, you only have 2, so you're going to need a whole lot more backlinks. And you need backlinks not just on your homepage, but your service pages and your location pages so that Google can find you and rank you, and your customers can find you, and you're getting those organic leads. As you can see, because the keywords are in the content, they're not able to index you for that. So you're getting 0 traffic organically. Um, if we look at your competitor, their domain rating is only a 24 for their entire franchise, but for this specific location, they only have a 1, and that's because they don't have any backlinks going to this page. But they do have 30 organic keywords going to this page, so that's how they are actually getting found above your website. But they're only seeing 3 people on average a month. So again, even though it's a franchise, these guys are going to be super easy to beat. And a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant the websites are that are linking to you, the more power it's actually going to give you to boost higher in the rankings. And as long as they do follow backlinks, they're actually going to share the power of those high ranking sites to boost you up even faster. But these are closely tied to your keywords. So in order to rank for your keywords and your customers to find you, you've got to have the content, the keyword strategy, and the backlinks going to those. And the last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is something called citations. So when a customer puts in a search, one of the first things they see pop up are going to be ads. And for you guys, this would be another good spot for you as well, to be a local service here. But going back to citations, so this is the map pack or Google My Business page, and your goal should be to be in the top 3 because almost 30% of customers will come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not here in the top 3 of all of your service areas and for your keywords, you're literally handing money to your competitors and you're giving them the leads that should be yours. So in order to get in this top 3, has to do with citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, etc. So you need a bunch more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips that I've given you today, you can become number 1 across Google, not just for your homepage, but for all of your pages. And now you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information I've provided you and do it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know if you thought this video was helpful. However, if you decide that you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it and do it yourself, go ahead and reply to my email or give me a call at the number on this screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.